Move over Street Glide and Road King, the 40S style bagger is now here. Improved dynamics, performance and detailing are added to great comfort and a fresh new style. The focus of the new Softail family is the all-new Softail frame, so called as it hides the rear suspension, giving a classic hardtail look, which now uses an inclined single shock, Yamaha LC style, in place of dual shorter units previously mounted beneath the transmission. The new tubular steel double cradle is also claimed to be substantially lighter, stiffer and comprise far fewer components. 3 different head angles, 2 shock lengths and 2 widths of swing arm are also employed in a modular approach to create the 8 different models. In heritage form, the ride itself is comfortable and the handling is surprisingly light and nimble. As with 3 other members of Harley's new Softail family, the new Heritage Classic now uses the 4-valve partially oil-cooled Milwaukee 8107 CIV twin, as introduced in its 2017 touring range, with the option also of the 114 CI version. Both are modified for Softail use via a new oil cooler subtly positioned between the down tubes and, as they are rigidly mounted in the new Softail frames, in the Tourers they are rubber mounted, come with 2, not 1, balancer shafts. Along with the new frame, a prated engine and cycle parts and new equipment such as lights and clocks, the build quality of the new Heritage Classic, and indeed all the 2018 Softail family, has been noticeably improved. This powertrainers, based on that of the proven Project Rushmore touring family in quality seemingly raised throughout, with little cause for concern with regards to reliability.